onye ọbụla abụmọnụ nọ n'ahụ ya. Gaa ihu adịrọ, gaa azụ adịrọ. Oke ruo gị n'aka, asa ọgwụla. Oke ruo gị n'aka, asa adịghachi echi.
Fire.
Somebody stand up now and vomit fire.
Fire.
Shout fire.
Fire.
Shout fire.
Fire.
I know Chebata. There is somebody here. In your punaboke. In your punaboke. Neru Hagaka. From today, God will reverse and restore them back to you. Last year, they will call you this year. Last year, they will call you back this year. After this program now, somebody must remember you and call you.
Join us every Wednesday from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. for our Wednesday adoration at Idewok Adoration Ground, Umuoma, Onitsha, Ezinihite, Imo State, Nigeria. Also join our Father, Reverend Father Magnus Eberi SDV, live on Facebook and YouTube every day by 5 a.m. for our prophetic hour of prayers. For if there is a man to pray, there is definitely a God to answer. Don't be left out.